What's the true cost of an insurance deductible? Find out next. Welcome back. This is Jesse with REMAX North San Antonio. Curtis Wall's here with us with Goosehead. Oh, that's a tongue twister. No, but Curtis Wall, we're blessed today that we have Curtis Wall from Goosehead Insurance, and he's going to tell us a little bit more. Okay.
Yeah. So deductibles are the thing everybody asks about, right? They're like, oh, give me a high deductible. Let me save the most amount of money. So what I like to do, or we like to do in our agency, is educate people on the true cost of having a high deductible, right? Okay. So it's a simple formula. If you look at a house and say, okay, well, I'm going to pay, and make easy numbers, $1,000 a year for home insurance, right? And the average person makes a claim every 7 years. So that's $7,000 for 7 years. Then you look at your deductible. The average house in San Antonio is about $200,000 or more, right?
Yeah, but we're 250.
All right, we'll make easy. I'm an insurance agent, not a mathematician, right? So we're gonna make easy math say it's $200,000. So I paid $7,000, and now I've got a claim within the next 7 years. That's the average. So I've got a $2,000 deductible if I'm at 1%. So that's $9,000. If I have a 2%, I'm at 4. And now I'm at, 7 plus 4, whatever that is, $11,000, right? The cost of savings from going to, let's say, a 2% to a 3% every year saves you $100.
$100.
Right? So let's say it's $100. That's $700 savings. But your risk went up to $6,000. Right? It's additional too. So the math on that, I don't know if you could do a calculator on there, but the math is, do I want to pay for a 1% deductible, spend $100 more a year at $1,000, or do I want to save $100 and bet that I'm probably not going to have a claim within the next 7 years, and save $700, but your risk is at $1,300. Do you see that made sense, right? So you kind of you getting a higher deductible is you gambling, saying, hey, I don't think I'm going to have a fire claim. I don't think
that's
I'm
being
going to have
very optimistic.
Yeah. Going from 1 to 2, sometimes that savings worth it. So I always recommend people make it your choice. Say, hey, okay, what would it cost? Like, what's the difference between having a 1% wind and hail and a 2% wind and hail? What's the difference between having a 1% and 3%? Make them show you. Yeah, in some cases, it's $700-800 a year savings, and you're like, yeah, that's worth it, because I'm probably gonna, half the people are gonna have claims in 7 years, half the people aren't.
Yes.
Okay, well, that's a gamble I'd be willing to take. But make it your choice, not my choice as the agent. Make them show you, like, here's what the difference would be. Because it's not always cost effective.
Yes.
And if you don't know, then when you find out, it's not a fun day.
It's going to be an unpleasant surprise.
Yeah, knowing that you got, I didn't know I had a $7,000 deductible for my roof. And how much does the roof cost to replace? $10,000. Great, insurance is going to give you a $3,000 check. It's not a fun day.
Yes.
Insurance is never, it's fun to buy it on the first day. It's a task when you're buying a house, right? You're like, okay, just get insurance. And then the next time you talk to insurance, it's never a
pleasant experience.
I wrecked my car, my house burned down, somebody robbed me, right? So let's get the coverage right the first time. And then when you do have to do a claim, it's, okay, I knew what I got. I expected that. Okay, great. I'm okay with that. Okay. And that's how we keep good customers and everybody happy.
Okay, so if someone has a question, you can go with the benefits and disadvantages of both coverages of 1%, 2%, or if not a little bit more.
Yeah.
So you pretty much cater your the insurance or the deductible to what the person is asking for or their lifestyle.
Yeah, I'll cater to what their lifestyle is, but I've had some people call me and they say, I want a 5% deductible, but I'll still show them a 1.
Yes, so they can see the difference.
So you showing somebody the difference, he might think that 5, or she may think 5% is bad. It's okay. Then I show them, well, shoot, you're only saving $100. That's a $200 a year savings, but it's a $10,000 risk versus a $2,000 risk. And my only question is, if you buy the house, this has happened, and the house, with the storms that we had, the big windstorm came like 2 days after the guy bought the house. he wanted a 5% deductible, and I got him down to 1. It's like, hey, it doesn't make sense.
Mhm.
He thanked me that day because he would have wrote a $10,000 check that he didn't have.
Jeez.
And so just making it your choice. The
Yeah.
main thing is make it your choice. Know what you want.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, I appreciate it, Curtis. Thanks
Thank
for
you for having me.
yes. And if you have any other questions for Curtis, feel free to contact him. His contact information is going to be down at the bottom. I'm also going to include his website. And once again, this is Jesse with REMAX North San Antonio. Thank you for visiting us, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye.